Factoring by grouping, in which we take a four-term polynomial and change it into the product of two binomials. In this expression, we have four terms. And we see that in the first two terms, underlined in blue, there is a common factor we could take out of those two terms. And that common factor is 5b. If we factor out 5b, in other words, if we divide each term by 5b, we would be left with 2a plus 3b. We're not finished yet because there's two more terms to look at. Let's underline those in red. Looking at the two terms at the end, we see that each of them can be divided by 2. Not just any 2, though, negative 2. So let's factor out negative 2. If we divide each of those by negative 2, we'll be left with, in the brackets, 2a plus 3b. Now let's take a moment and look at what we have. We've got two jumbo terms. There's a jumbo term. There's a jumbo term. So these are just really large, awkward terms. The great thing about these, though, is that they have something in common. They have 2a plus 3b, both of them. So they have something in common. We can common factor out of them. Let's common factor that binomial out. So we have 2a plus 3b coming out of those two jumbo terms, which really means we're dividing by 2a plus 3b. So if we take the first jumbo term and divide it by 2a plus 3b, we'll just be left with 5b. And if we divide the second jumbo term by 2a plus 3b, we'll be left with subtract 2. And we're finished. What we've done is we've taken a four-term polynomial and we have rewritten it as the product of two binomials.